Welcome. This is another question from integration, and this is differential calculus, which is integration, and this is indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. Why? Because there is no range. Evaluate integral of 2x exponent raised to power x dx. If you see a question like this, you apply what we call integration by parts. Integration by parts. Here, 2x dot exponent raised to power x dx. Let me remind us about differentiation. In differentiation, we have dy dx to be du dx multiplied by dy du. This is chain rule. We also have dy dx equals v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v squared, which is what we call quotient rule. We also have product rule, which is u dv dx plus v du dx, and so on and so forth. Here as well, we have method of solving integration. So here we'll be applying integration by parts, and the formula, we have formula for it as v du equals integral of v du equals uv minus integral of u dv. Integral of what? U dv. Okay, now my v is 2x, right? Compare this one now. My v is 2x, right? My du, since it's du and they are together, right? 2x exponent what? Raised to power x is what? E raised to power x, exponent raised to power x, right? Now I will differentiate this guy, right? Differentiate this guy will give me dv dx will be equals to 2, right? dv dx will be equals to what? Will be equals to 2. If I integrate this guy, it will be u, right? U equals what? Equals what? Exponent raised to power x. When you integrate this guy here, right, it will be u. When you integrate this one, it will give you the same thing, right? If you look at the standard integral table, you see that it's the same, right? Now I want to make the v the subject of formula, because in formula here we also have the v, right? So this one will be what? dv will be equals to what? 2 dx. Okay, now I have v, I have dv, right? I have v, I have dv, I have u, and I have what? du. Now I can apply this formula. So therefore v du equals, what is my u? Exponent raised to power x, right? That is u. What is my v? V multiplied by 2x, then minus integral of what is my u? U exponent raised to power x, right? What is my dv? dv is what? Multiplied by what? 2 dx. 2 dx. So here I can have the whole of this equals to exponent raised to power x multiplied by 2x, right? Minus, before I integrate this one, you need to integrate this. You need to bring out this guy, these two, so that it will be easy to integrate. So it will be 2, then exponent, right? Equals what? Equals what? Exponent raised to power x, then dx. Okay? If you integrate this guy, this one will be e 2x exponent raised to power x, if you multiply, minus 2. Now I want to integrate this one. It will still give you the same thing, e raised to power x, then what? Plus c, right? You can now see that 2 and exponent raised to power x is common to this, right? So we can say that 2 exponent raised to power x then what? This is 1, right? 1 minus what? This is x, right? Minus 1. Then we can have plus c. Or better still, you can leave your answer this way. You can see that what is common here is this one is 2x exponent raised to power x, right? Minus 2 exponent raised to power x plus c. Now, if you look at what is common here, you will see that 2 and exponent raised to power x is common. So you bring it out. This one, the remaining part of this one is x, right? So when you put x in the bracket, then you can now see that if you reverse the process, 2 exponent raised to power x multiplied by 1, it will still give you this one minus this. So then plus c, where c is the integral constant. And this what we apply here is what we call integration by part. Integration by what? By part. So if you see a question like this, you must be able to identify your v, you must be able to identify your du, because the formula is v du equals uv minus integral of what? U dv. Integral of v du equals uv minus integral of what? U dv. That is the formula for integration by part. Just like you have your formula for integration for differentiation, which is chain rule. You have one of quotient rule. You have one of what? You have one of product rule. So that is how to go about this question. Thank you for watching.